I'm sorry, I'm afraid you can't do that.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Hi.
So,
Another
okay.
Thursday, another stream.
okay, it should be okay. Do you guys hear us?
Okay. How? Let us know if everything is okay with the sound.
Yeah, it seems okay.
Okay. Thank you, Orcaquel. We like that idea too, and we like the new main menu. I think that can be the part of the promoting of the game, and the music is nice just to listen to. So this music with this view, that is a good connection. And we were talking with Michael what we could do on today's stream, and because we are playing on the last build. We played last week, and because for a long time there were no stream with just regular gameplay, no cheat, just a game. We thought that maybe this is a good time for that.
So I don't know who played that before.
Okay, we with Piotr played that, and he made this crusher, built his this crusher to show a container for a rover, and
but I think it's the small one.
oh, okay.
So
this is another. Yeah,
it's from the 2 weeks, I think.
Yeah. Okay. So sorry, my mistake. I thought that is with from the last, but yeah, there was a HQ also. So main quarter. There is no main quarter in here. There's only warehouse. So yeah.
Okay, so our plan would be to build some base, I think.
Yeah. There is. Oh, okay.
We have these starting buildings here.
Yeah, but this is a pretty difficult place to start, I think, because of the mountain.
It will
I
be
prefer
fine.
more flat terrains.
So at first I will look inside the base if we have something there. And try to build from there.
Okay, cool.
So basically we don't have new build that is working better than this one right now. We are working on the change with animations. It takes a while to fix the bugs there.
Yes, and all the interactions.
Oh, I can't build the ramp at first it seems.
Oh, okay.
And I probably need to unlock something here.
Yeah, so this is leaving the no cheats gameplay.
I should build short corridor. Then, yeah, but this is too high right now.
Okay, use rover for that. Yeah, but this is nice. We have to find a way to make it. I like it. You have to be smart. Playing with cheats is easy. Yeah, that's an idea. Or you can use the right wheel. Okay, that is good enough. Yeah.
And I don't have enough power here. Probably everything is right now
Pressure warning.
in the rover.
Okay, so
And nothing is here. Okay. So we'll start with the seal scrubber. And can we build something else right now? Yeah. As you roll the food. And of course printer. We will need that. Okay. I think it will start on some lower difficulty because I have lots of resources.
Equalizer pressure.
Hi, Maddie.
Equalizer pressure.
Okay, let's see how we sort energy here. Probably everything is set to the crusher there. And this is for crusher and this is, yeah. Actually, I think I will disconnect the crusher and connect for now, since I don't need the energy there, and connect the battery to is this one to my base
New message.
and full energy here. Okay, for now, do we have some seeds maybe? Okay, we have our potatoes.
Soup power, 50%. Equalizer pressure. Low pressure line. Equalizer pressure.
And where is the seed tool? I don't think I have it, it's probably in the rover. Yeah, I need to go back.
Equalizer pressure. Equalizer pressure.
And lots of those pre-builds that I think in the first version of the full build we won't have those prefabs in the at the beginning,
Low pressure
so
line.
player will start with nothing.
Dehydration detected.
And player will need to play for some time to unlock this tourist mode and so on.
Yeah, that will work that way, that if you unlock something in the regular game starting from the beginning, then you can start a free play with what you unlock.
I think the current plan is to have a little bit more in the free play, those starting more things to begin with. Okay, it's getting dark, so let's sleep. And no food, no water. I need this sweet status here, because right now I don't.
Water. Refill.
We are working on that, and it soon should be ready. I don't know if it will make it to the beta, but it will be in the full version. Because I think not flat surface, flat surface. It's still not too. I think it was fixed that the flat surface is not requires
that was
much.
I think that, but still maybe.
I don't think it's flat surface, but maybe. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
That way we can.
Yeah, and when it comes to updating, but still, that wasn't.
I'm 100% not on the flat surface, but yeah.
Oxygen.
But it's better than
Oxygen,
less annoying than
25%.
the info that
Yeah,
you should
we
find the flat.
Yeah, but we basically add that so there was any animation here problems and player will get too much into the rover. And it was unrealistic to sleep on the vertical, on the vertical position. So, okay.
Yeah, we lately we were talking about giving the keys to the new player, especially about the new interactions. The feedback from the new players is really precious when it comes to interactions. And when it comes to the new beta update, I think we are very close to that. And yeah, the plan is to give all beta testers the new update, but there are still some difficulties.
Interactions broke. No new interactions broke was the thing.
Pressure.
For now, that is the biggest problem. But
And right now, only one person works on interactions, and the rest of the team is working on the other things in the game. And I'm not sure how much I should tell them. So.
Yeah, but Pablo was responsible from the beginning for the new interaction, so he knows how to fix it best. He also applied the new animations, and that was a nice upgrade. Yeah, I think this is our game. Maybe a previous save we played with Piotr, because the Dutch flag is our sign in our base here.
I'm not sure if that this is not working. Like profile is
yes, this
to
is
the
the profile,
game.
of course. Yeah, sure. My mistake.
So it will
yes,
be
we made the
every
profile.
player.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, of course, I do them the other way.
Yeah, you can also sleep sitting in Occupy Mars in a capsule.
But that's uncomfortable.
Yes.
So at the beginning you will have only capsule. I think I can tell that. I can see. I should be able to click to full power. Oh, and this is one of the bugs with interaction. Okay. So basically, if you move out of the panel after interacting, you get this uninteractable screen. Okay, so potatoes are ready, right? And now I will look for some rocks.
I'm not
maybe.
sure if you have enough suit oxygen.
Okay, but right now I should take the oxygen from the rover.
Okay, cool.
I don't remember exactly how it was set right now. Maybe I need to source to be external when I still have to
great way to dial Mars. Forget about it and go out.
Yeah.
Because we showed last time this new feature that you get the info that you have no helmet when you are going outside, but in a base. But I'm not sure if in the rover it will work.
25%.
Yeah, and I like those subtitles.
Yeah, they are helping on the stream a lot.
Yes, a lot. Very very handy, helpful thing. Yeah.
Okay, it seems right now I will go out. So.
Helmet sealed.
Yeah, smart.
And I have a drill.
Warning, oxygen below 10%.
And low oxygen. Now I will. Where is my oxygen here?
Oxygen.
Hello, DJ Sander. Hi.
So let's gather some rocks. So it's unscanned, so it's unknown. But if I use the scanner, see this?
You will plant potato on the
Yeah.
stone.
I think it's going to be second level, but yeah. So right now we have the incentive to actually scan the rocks, because beforehand you don't know what rock is it. And it adds, I think, something to the progression of the game. Actually, I think that could be the technology later in the game that will allow you to scan a whole rock without the scanner, just by interacting with it. Like scanning from rover or something. So I think there was addition that those rocks can be destroyed, but I'm not sure if this already. I don't think so. So those cores in these bigger rocks will be destroyable, but it will have much more HP. So it won't be accidentally destroyed by the crane drill, because right now I think crane drill is a bit powerful, a bit too powerful, and needs some maybe better indication that the rock is ready to load too.
And we have two important suggestions from the chat. The first is a good advice. You don't have to click multiple times, just hold it to refill the suit energy.
Yeah, learning more from beta testers.
Yes, I like this feeling. Thanks for that, Peroxide. And the second one, I think it's important because it says a lot about what can be intuitive for the players. DJ Sander said that he forgot to upgrade the scanner, and even if it's unlocked in the tech tree, we still have to inform players that it needs to be upgraded on a workbench.
I think it could be a bit intuitive that you need to use workbench to upgrade. And I think we don't teach it in the tutorial, so it's too problematic.
And we talked with Piotr after the last stream. You can remember, guys, this mechanic with the crunches on the main quarter and the HQ building. There is mechanic of repairing the crunches before you repair all the buildings, and this comes only with HQ. And we talked about the same, how to teach players that this building is special with repairing after.
So I think it's need to be added to the other buildings, or remove it for now and maybe rework this mechanic later. Because right now
used only for example in campaign, right? Like
there is this idea, because right now we don't have random events for the fire, for example, for the fire. So player will need to use extinguisher. So there is an idea that we will add the random events that can happen in the base sometimes, and those events will be fire or the from the fuse, how to the fired fuse or the broken fuse, basically, that you need to repair, and one of them will be to those basics that you will need to take care of, and not from just destroying the base. And I think it will add some more depth to the game. Because right now the basically you get the extinguisher, but we use it in campaign, and nothing in the game can set on fire without your interaction. Because you can technically burn the crops, for example.
Sounds like an idea for a stream.
Okay, I think we are getting close now. We can gather some more. This is not gatherable one. So let's try those one too. And I see base of leather there. Maybe I will look into it.
And Cerber asked if we get random fire starting in a base, do we get sprinklers to extinguish those for when we are on a mining trip?
So I think we will set it so you will need to be close to the base for event to occur, because it's they need to have some possibility of reaction. There is a Olympus mountain there. I don't know if you start here intentionally, but we are near Olympus.
Yeah, I think that this is from, I remember the stream that Jacek and Lucas played, and I think this is their safe. I remember now that they were exciting about the view of Olympus Mons, and this is randomly chosen, I think. Michał, can you tell us more about using fire as extinguisher in campaign? For example, why something started burning? How is it relevant for the story, etc.?
Something will still burn.
Yes,
I don't think I should tell more about the story right now.
Yes, but this is the event for now. As I know, I haven't seen the fire in the free play mode. I mean, this is...
So you can burn I think the only thing you can burn right now are the plants.
Okay, but is the fire somehow the risk for you or your base, or...?
I don't think so right now.
Okay.
I don't think how it's set. Maybe it's set so it will take the oxygen, but it don't deal damage to base right now.
Okay, I think we can experiment with that on some stream.
Yeah. Fire mechanic will need to be a more better design days, I would say. That's why we were thinking about these events. Because technically we have the fire, the mechanic to extinguish it, but there is nothing to the gameplay yet.
Oh, nice. Peroxide is a fireman. Cool.
Yeah, it's the same mechanic as the prologue. Nothing changed from the prologue in this case. Okay, I think it's enough for now. I will check the space right there, and after that I will crush the rocks there. Okay. I will set the transport mode. Translation not found there. Someone will need to fix that.
Okay, now we have a task for the all the lost translation. So that was the translation
for the transport mode in
Transport.
the rover. It should be also transport mode. I think we have translation from transport mode. And I see.
So this is the matter of implementation,
Yeah.
right? The key.
Yeah, here is the same.
Okay.
I think in Prolog there was a translation like transport mode or something like that. So maybe the key somehow was lost after changes.
That would be cool to stop a fire by opening
Yeah.
iris door and no oxygen, no fire. Cool.
And I think it will be some controlled opening because the difference of the pressure should be enough to damage buildings. I think playing without the interaction selected, it's better for the player to search for new Windows bases to look for something.
Yeah, it's faster, right?
But when I set the interactions on, visible interactions, it's unclimatic, I would say. Oh, I found the additional keeper. I think it's work.
Whoa.
It should be that I could connect here. Let's check it.
That would be nice.
Because in the early game, the only way to get those containers that Piotr was printing is to find them in the bases. Oh, can't reach. I want to open this. I think the loot is in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you got it.
And
No
nothing
loot.
there. Okay, something here maybe.
Yeah, about the burning outside, because Orcaquel said in the prologue crops are also burned outside. We spoke about that when it comes to the explosion by the dynamite.
But with burning, it's a little bit different.
Yes, but this is similar to explosion. I mean, this is certain people get used to like how explosion should look like, right? And this is
With dynamite,
intuitive
yeah,
somehow.
but the explosion should look a bit different because technically it shouldn't be the oxygen that is burning.
Yeah, but I think it's pretty okay. It's like in a movie,
but
like
yeah, with explosions we can somehow tell that it's that those packages of explosions have the oxygen in there.
okay.
So it will then it will look like on Earth.
Yeah.
But in the fire, like
Keeping fire
outside
like
is
without
the different
oxygen.
thing.
Yeah, it's silly.
Okay, let's now. There was a. Okay, just leave it here. And I try to pick up the other one, but it can be tricky, I think.
Should you first grind the building?
I will try first, just be a bit. I think something's wrong when I'm getting back with rover. It's right now because it's a bit too floaty, I think. Okay. Can I? Okay, so I will try to grind the building. And to be honest, I will check something because it could be that I won't be able to. Come on. And this could be the interaction problem because I can't move right now. Okay, let's save load the game then. So yeah, basically there are those problems with interactions right now that sometimes it breaks the game.
Yeah, I think this is the main critical
Yeah.
we're fighting with now.
Yeah, well, so I think this trailer can be broken, so I'll check that right now. It could be the broken one.
Yeah.
I can check it with the grinder, I think. Yeah, that's crap. I won't be able to use that. I have a hope. That finally we found the back of the rover, some. Because we were there were the scenes that were looking for that, and there wasn't any thing to find. Okay, so I will go back into base right now before the night, or maybe it's too late. Oh, I think the night right now is a little less dark than it was before in previous builds. Because I can actually see something.
Yeah, that is cool because now you can see the beauty of the planet even at night. And before
Yeah,
that
because
was like
technically
totally
it should be totally dark on Mars.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I like this view more. Before it was like
It is dark right now.
Yes, but
I can see where I.
You can act now. You can work.
Yeah.
But before it was like you couldn't do anything.
Okay, but I think it's getting even darker. So maybe I
Maybe
will
lights,
go
lights
sleep.
on.
Okay. Because I think in first person the slides are less viable than in the third. And I think okay, the battery is okay, but I think maybe the crash the rover is too overweight right now because it's really slow. And I hope I don't.
Okay,
lose some dark.
I know we talked about no cheating, but there is a suggestion from Orca12 to use this.
Yeah, but I don't remember this cheat. I think it's still some shortcut.
Yeah, I think this is the similar to a helmet, so it can be minus. Yeah,
Is this one?
that is it. That is it. Oh, nice, right in there.
Yeah, but if it's the how rendering works, but you can't see it in the front of you just in the...
Nice one from suggestion from Muddy. Try Alt F4.
Oh. I almost drive into my base.
Yeah, and I can see now the post processes difference. At night, the base looks a little bit different.
Alert.
It's just the darkness.
Power 75%.
Yeah, but where is Earth? We should have Earth here, and to be honest, I would love to see the Milky Way visible here,
Yeah, totally.
because it should be visible. Yeah, I would love to go to those low light pollution places and see the stars, how they really look like.
I'm very curious how I forgot the word in English, but the thing with the colorful sky. This is a solar storm, or you know.
And aurora.
Yeah, that is a cool thing, and we have it also in Occupy Mars, but I would love to see it in Norway or somewhere.
I think I will go to sleep because I have no idea if I'm in the right place, and it won't show me because I turn off the power from the crusher. So I actually need to first power it up. So for now I will go to sleep. Okay, hunger and it's
yeah, auroras, that is it. Only saw that on some videos and photos, but it looks amazing. It looks like it's like photoshopped or some computer generated magic, but hardly can believe it's real.
But actually, I won't like to see them here.
Warning.
Because it could be technically it could be visible everywhere on Earth, but it would need be some basically catastrophic situation like that. Why is it here?
What a morning!
Yeah.
Good morning, Mars.
Okay. So right now I need to go inside the base somehow.
Okay.
And I know it will follow me. Why now? There was a bug that I think the testers say that the weather effects don't occur often. So now it seems they occur.
Yes, and another bug that is coming repeatedly is when the weather effect comes, they list a long time. So get used to this tornado.
So I think actually it was maybe tornado that there was a bug that didn't disappear, and it was like, okay, now my whole base is dirty.
Okay, we can check that. Server suggests to last time we could go on the center of the tornado, and we can check if it will do anything to us. What's safe before?
I'm not sure what will do to us right now, but let's first replant some potatoes because I'm running low on food.
Okay.
And I will need that potato, so I will die.
And another interesting fact from Orcaquel, Mars has no strong magnetic field, so normally you won't see auroras on Mars.
Yeah.
But
there is a specific situation that will occur because in the solar storms, basically, and it won't be in the visible spectrum of the light. But here we take some visual freedom, you say.
Yeah. But Peroxide said
it
that
actually happened, but not in the fully visible spectrum of the light. He's right there.
Okay, let's save and let's check maybe some epic flying by the jetpack or something.
So I have 100% sure that the jetpack won't work.
Okay.
Jetpack can't be affected by those effects, at least right now. So we have these small rocks coming from the tornado that can damage base and.
But that looks epic. Like, yeah, you can feel the power of the. Yeah, nothing will happen. I will know that because I think that
there was a time the version of the tornado that basically throw a player around. I know that right now this tornado I know how to have those small rocks that can damage the base and player, but I think there's too low of them, or they're whoa. Actually, I get
eaten.
That
works. Yeah. And we see what is underground.
Yeah.
So
some
hit you. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I get the. But I don't know why only after I have to jump. Yeah.
Okay. I don't know that too.
And it's easy way to go under the train, it seems. After the loading, it could be in a different position, I think.
Now I'm experimenting with this free camera. And the first thing I thought, as always, was that would look
Oh,
nice in the free camera, like the scale, the character, and next to this huge tornado.
Quick save. It should load quick save this button that is restarting. I think it should work like if you save the game, it will load the last save, and if you don't, it will start the free play game.
So let us know, Peroxide.
Yeah, I think it was those greens, but there aren't on the visible spectrum of the light, and they are it's building right now.
Whoa, nice view.
From the save, it's starting game, we can say. And I think the saving of the game is the easy way to clear the base. Because it seems that the dirt isn't saving.
Noting that.
Yeah, I need to jump to actually get. And I'm early dead? No. I'm still alive. but my health is really low. And I can see this and see that here on the right side there was some error in the graphic, but okay, maybe it's because of the tornado. Come back to me, I want to jump again. Slowly walking to the tornado. And it's running from me. Yeah, those all the rocks that are in the or pickup.
So you were running now, right? But
I'm running without stamina.
Oh, okay.
So this
is like chill,
yeah,
chill walk.
Yeah. To be honest, I didn't see this this animation is in the game.
Mm-hmm. And you were right, Michael, because auroras have been observed, but they are in the ultraviolet spectrum.
Yeah.
So this is some visual.
And I think they were observed on the whole planet, not like on the Earth.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, let me. I get some momentum from that, but I think it's okay or not. I'm not sure. If I jump, it will take me, but
this is
how it should be, because the atmosphere on Mars is pretty low. Mm-hmm. So maybe it shouldn't throw away the player from the.
For sure, the effect should be the same whenever you are jumping or not. So that is.
Actually, if I jump, I don't have the connection with the ground.
Mm-hmm.
So it could be the small portion that will throw me.
Mm-hmm.
Rocket is loading.
And the difficult question from DJ Sander, because he plays on GTX 1060 and on max graphics there are some frame drops. And the question, what video card would you recommend to run the game nicely over 60 FPS?
It's a hard question.
Yeah, it's very difficult, but because of course the better the best.
And the optimization always can happen. And it's always happening. Recently we discovered that one of the settings that was in the prologue is now after the work of the menu isn't there. That is I think it's reducing by half or more the
you're talking about the planet?
Trees,
yes.
The triangles on the terrain.
The thing is that optimization is the part of the process, but very often we do optimization like first creating the thing and then optimize it, and we are still working on optimization, and that is actually our art director, Michael, who was the leader of the Dinosaur Fossil Hunter, who still is, but now also works on Occupy Mars optimization. But not only him, also like all of the team, and of course there is still a lot to do. And this is I think that work with optimization is a little
never-ending story.
Yeah, never ending, but this is Sherlock Holmes kind of work, right? You have to find a clue, find a place where you can add some frames. But I would say that playing on the RTX 2060, this is pretty good, still pretty good card, I think, and that should be pretty stable.
But I think depends on the settings, but
I'm talking about the high fantastic.
Yeah, and depending on what's happening in the game, because sometimes the terrain is loading, and those times a game can get a little bit laggy, and depending on the CPU. Uh, but about what card to get, the best you can afford.
Yes, that is always a correct question, but you know, I think this is so crazy when it comes to the video cards. I saw this 40 series,
Yeah, well,
and I saw the price. So
yeah.
whoa, this is like you can get a pretty good PC in the price of the one video card.
Yeah, but those are the first ones are a bit you can
Overpriced.
say overpriced. It is more like for the card for the business
Okay.
than
For the graphic designers,
yeah.
renders.
Oh, it was there.
Yeah, that is crazy, but I can tell that I'm not dreaming about one of those, but it's a lot of money for now.
For now, I think my setup is enough for me. So, oh, the first time I saw that.
Yeah, so DJ Hunter said he's going for a 3000 series. I think it's great.
I think
video
it's
card.
the best for now in case performance price.
I'm sure that of course then can be some FPS drops as a bugs, as a problems of optimization
So,
at this
yeah,
stage, but I
as
think
for
that
bugs.
so you should treat it like a bug when you have FPS drop. Whoa, cool view.
Yeah.
It's like I feel a little bit like in Dinosaur Fossil Hunter on Mars. Like it would be some part of the spine of the beak lizard or something
We
like that.
need to look into that. Okay, so okay, I need to close the door. Okay, it's too close right now. Oh, I need the rover anyway to get into the base. So I will be now taking care of the potatoes in the extreme environment. And I need to build a short corridor, I think, to unlock in Tech 3.
Okay, and the question about the graphic card we are playing right now on, I think it's RTX 20 series.
I can check. Okay, it should be visible here, or it will be. It's 2070 Super.
And we are playing. I think it's now the frames per second are pretty good, and we are streaming also. I'm not sure if this is the work for the graphic card.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so 2070 is super is good enough for.
Oh, actually now I can unlock. I should be able at least to unlock in Tech 3. I seem to build the airlock. Oh. Maybe those were built from those Okay, and now I'm stuck again.
Okay, again in the same situation.
Yeah.
I think with this report we should check for another build because it can be already fixed.
And now I can't with anything. Even the escape menu don't work. So I think the all interactions broke this time. So I'm going to rest in the game. but at least it's saved. I hope. Yeah, but I think right now the 3000 series is better right now. I think you can buy right now the 360 that have the same performance of 280 Super or so, and is better priced. And it depends if you, for example, have the laptop card, because those are like 3 times slower than the PC versions. Usually the same GPU, the same name, everything, and it's much slower. Okay, let's hope it will load. Usually it will stack on this setting the base structure, so we are good. So let's go again and try to. I would like to build another airlock, because I think maybe it was built with the prerequisite, and it's corridor. We will have 3 airlock space. So those events that if we implement them, will be the way to tell the player that you need to build more of airlocks, for example, to separate the parts of the base. Because we want player to do that, to build lots of airlocks inside the base, and player don't actually want to waste resources on that.
New blueprint.
Okay, now we have it. We can upgrade. This is the battery upgrade. This is the transformer upgrade. We'll get workbench.
New blueprint.
Actually, I think we have enough points to upgrade also.
New blueprint.
I think the new version of the tech tree won't have those additional what is the requirements, but it will be simplified a bit, because I think those requirements can be a bit hard to explain.
Okay, I will note new blueprint spamming subtitles, and I'm not sure if the voice information too.
Equalizer pressure. External oxygen detected. Equalizer pressure.
Okay. Only 30%, 60% now, and I am really running out of food. I have 2 left. I'm not sure if I can survive on that. Let's see if I have more in over, and I think I will try to find some food in the bases maybe. Because right now I don't have anything here. So let's save for now here. And check, okay, the battery in the rover is too low. I would like to maybe do something like this. Connect this. What am I doing exactly right now? I want to connect base. This is
Orca is asking, did Jacek and Lucas take the food from the capsule? I don't remember, I'm not sure, but you know, you're playing on low difficulty and there is no much food. You're running out of it right now, so I guess they could forget about it.
okay. I do something wrong with the cables right now. I think this is connected to the base. And this connects to the crusher or nothing. Okay. So okay, I need this one now and connect it to the rover. And it should be loading. Charging, I mean. Okay. For now, but where is the capsule? Maybe there is additional food there. But
Yeah, Orca is checking if they took it on the last stream.
okay, it could be hard to find if it's not on the points to set.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be hard to find it. I have no idea where they start.
Dobra, no food there.
What are those
There's
points?
some Arsiamons. Not sure where.
Okay, so we will need to hope that our potatoes will be ready.
External oxygen detected.
I could try to. I think something is there. I will check it. It should be close enough. And 30%. No, I should probably sleep on it, but I'm afraid that. Okay, it's running. Okay. I'm afraid that I will die after I wake up. Because potatoes won't be ready there. 65%, they have everything.
Okay, so remember about the med kit from the rover, I guess.
But I don't think it will help me. Okay, let's try to drive there. I hope it's enough. Let's pick up this cable, connect the base again just in case. Because right now, yeah, it's okay. And so let's try to get to this antenna there.
Oops.
Yeah, that was something strange. Probably on the cable, some colliders on the cables.
Okay, situation it's not easy.
And okay, it seems some. We're still not exactly sure why sometimes the terrain isn't. Or right now you can see that something is loading and generating in the background. I think because the camera is a bit laggy. I think the FPS is right now a bit slow.
And some advice from the madmans: eat only when health is critical. That's good
Yeah.
advice.
Yeah, but I think that the consumption of the hunger isn't changing anything. Okay, I think it's just the antenna without anything here. That's sad. Yeah, I think we will be using those to summon the vehicles, but that's just work in progress right now, and I'm not sure if designers give the green light for that. Because there was an idea we need to summon a vehicle from orbit. Basically, you would need to find one of those antennas, do something in there like connect it to the power or fix some fuses, something like that, and then you will be able to call the vehicle from the orbit.
Okay, base on the left. Where is it?
Yeah, there.
Oh, no, I see. Oh, that was a cave on the left.
Yeah, but I don't think the cave is the solution right now.
Yeah, I know, but there was a suggestion from the server that on the left is a base. Maybe we didn't see that, but yeah, we definitely see the base on the. We are going to.
And
the
looking
car.
around there, there is some base there, I think.
Okay. And it's getting darker.
And
So we have
so
to speed up.
there will be dark exploration of the small. I hope there is something there, but looking at it, I not think there is.
No buildings in here.
But maybe something is there, just in case. This is the scrap.
Scrap.
Okay, there could be some gas canister. Nothing.
Suit power, 50%.
Nothing here. Exactly nothing. I thought this was a battery, and this was a battery for. Yeah, nothing here. Why this all is the scrap? I want the one that I can connect. Okay, I won't find anything in the night, so that's the problem. And I don't think I can sleep. Maybe I could try like. It was the water.
Oh,
warning.
water, you have water, okay.
And I got oxygen.
Water on the up first.
I have a bit water, but it's running low too. And sleep something like 4 p.m. 4 a.m.
I will replant the crops.
I don't think I can replant the crops. They are on the shelf and I don't have anything bigger right now. I think the animation after the getting up need to be a bit fixed, so player won't be Okay, actually that doesn't take too much hunger from me. Maybe I could sleep to flat surface, of course.
What is it?
The part of the rover camera set in the wrong position.
Low temperature warning.
Yeah, now it's the lights coming. I think I could survive long enough while sleeping, maybe to grow the plants. So I will try to get back to my base and check the potatoes.
Cool. That is our chance to survive.
Or I will burn them all.
That would be the madman mode, right? Burning all the base
Yeah.
because you can survive.
If I can survive
as I
here,
told you
no
on
one
a-
will.
I think the last finish was epic when we just target the meteor into the base where the player was. That was cool.
I think if you don't sleep right now, you lose stamina. And eventually I think you can't even jump. Or you can jump, just one jump and can't run at all. There is my base, I think. Or is something different there?
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's my base. Because this is the smaller base we were near before.
That's interesting. The diary of the madman mode.
Yeah, I should. The stamina should actually drop. So maybe there's a bug about that. And the longer you, I think after 3 days without sleep or so, your stamina should be really low. This is that sleep deprivation mechanic. Okay. I think I will survive. And I'm actually not sure if sleeping takes less food than running around. There was something about that, but I do not remember exactly.
External oxygen detected. Equalizing pressure.
So show me the potatoes. I think they're ready. Yep. Wait, I'm still getting 0 potato? Yeah, of course. They're on the ground. I will use the inventory here to put stuff that I don't need and won't use right now. And my potatoes are on the ground. Planting them by hand is a bit overwork. But So the crate is unlocked later, I think. Or you need to find that. I'm not sure how is the last version of it.
Okay, let's eat some.
Yeah, and actually I think the potatoes are much better than those starting rations. I think I need 10 potatoes to fill up my hunger. Okay, now I'm confident enough that I will survive, so I can make the seeds from the potatoes. Oh, I built another incubator. I want to build the seed machine. I need seed food.
Oxygen 75%.
So yeah, for those who don't know, you can use the seed machine to create new species of to create better seeds in the next generation of crops. For example, those will grow 3% faster, and will give 5%. Its seed bones here is 5% more seeds, or I'm not sure about the seed bones. Was it?
Okay.
And yeah, here. And now we can plant. Here there will be the better potatoes then. I have only 6 of them. And here I will plant poplar for some reason. Okay. Let's now adjust the values. But I think right now when it's when all you need to do is to click on those values, when adjusting it feels that it could be done automatic. And maybe we need to add some more flavor to those. Maybe if you use those values are like the base demand, but if you use a bit more resources, you will get faster grow. But if you overdo, those will start withering. And I never turn on the. Actually, it produces it.
Okay, I've noted that suggestion. I think that this is pretty cool. That you can set up more resources and they grow faster.
But you can't overdo it. Okay, right now let's go like that and fill the bottle. And I think the bottle filling on those should be there should be possibility in the game that will make lots of bottles at the same time. Okay, we are fine for now here. And I'm going to charge the seed. I will use this battery that I was using for the rover. It should work.
Okay, I think about
I
think about some explosion or some epic finish for today's stream, because we are coming to an end with this gameplay.
Okay, so first, then let's save the game.
Okay, that will be our start point for the next stream.
Today is Let's save it like that. And so how you wanna do it?
Oh, not sure. We can think about something extreme. I thought about like maybe let's combine the dynamite and the meteor. I would say like let's stand on the top of the rover and put there a lot of dynamite. And then let's target meteor into the player, and at the same time try to no, it's impossible because we won't see that from the, because I also thought about the free camera, but we can see that from the third person and try to at the same time when the meteor comes hit all the dynamites and big boom in by meteor and the dynamites.
Okay.
Let's try that.
It will need a lot of setup, but okay. I'm just trying to destroy this panel, but it seems it's not reacting for the rover. Rover should be able to destroy this panel. Okay, so first let's get the cheat menu. Yeah, and find dynamite. Okay, actually I think I added two more of that right now. Where's my dynamite? My inventory was full with potatoes. Yeah. Okay, I have a lot of it. Now I see. And detonator.
Wow, 10,000 of the dynamites. That is something. Okay. Don't target right now because you first have to. Because when you target, first
you get the cheat target meteorite. I wasn't sure if it works that way.
But you first have to prepare it. Yeah, like that. That's nice.
I think there is a limit, but I'm not sure how.
Okay. Yeah, I think we got it now. It's like more than enough,
No, it's not enough. It's not enough until I crash the game.
Yeah, definitely the testing of optimization. That is a task for that. That's a lot. Now I know what you typed the 10,000 of the yes. I thought more like 10. It's cool.
No,
it's cool. I like it.
Okay, I just have I think I think I used 200 here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's already 200.
You will have this
more than
challenge with this mini game. We are doing this like waiting for the sweet spot just a second before the meteor will hit, and then start with the dynamites.
Okay, I think it's enough. Just don't click the left button right now.
Yeah, don't do it. Okay, remember that in the cheat console. Remember we did it. Maybe quick save or something like that.
I have an idea about that.
Okay, hide the controller. Change the tool now. Yeah, we did it on.
And it's like so there's so many indicators here. but I need to
So you
use
have
it.
to be fast. The plan is to target.
I will turn off the indicators. I think there is a possibility for that. It should turn off all the indicators, not only quest targets, I think.
So the plan is to target the meteor.
Yeah.
And don't you need to hide that, because in a cheat console you will use the left button.
Oh.
So this is the mistake we made last time. Yeah, with seed tool it's safe with the seed tool. And I think it's like 1-1 after that, or not? Maybe not necessarily. Let's check the. Yeah. Where is it? It's a toggle in here.
No, I think it's blocked
By the menu.
Yeah.
And this is the Michael Jackson mode. This is the new feature we implement this week. Of course, joking.
Okay, where is it?
On the bottom somewhere on the T.
I think it's just target meteor.
Okay. Here is the meteors, and you choose the how many and how and delay. So you can go with target meteors like 10 in the delay 1 or something like that, or 5.
Or I can just target meteor to the player position.
Yeah.
And use it multiple times.
Yeah, but it's more handy to just type the 10 with the delay 1 and meteors. Okay, we got it.
I don't want to exit the game. Yeah, this menu is not interacting well with the cheats.
Okay, so come on, because the time is running fast, you know. Nah.
Okay.
Okay, so now come on, let's go with the dynamite. Find the meteor and two of them. Good enough. And now let's choose the controller. No cable, controller. Come on, controller for the dynamite.
Wait.
Yeah, we got it. Come on. And the view from the third person, yeah. Wait a sec. Oh, that was the first one.
But I think
look, the Van Gogh style. What is it?
I think the meteor
That is cool. That was something. Yeah.
I think the meteor to detonate all the dynamite.
That is cool. I love that. I love that ending.
And we are alive.
And we are still alive. That is a miracle.
Yeah. Because I think the only meteor hit us, and we get into the.
Yeah, but the amount of the light and the force of this was epic. Whoa! Look at that.
Oh, now we have lots of free rocks.
Yeah, that is
Lots of aluminium.
all left from our base and the rover.
Actually, I didn't know that it will drop lots of that amount of pickables. But yeah.
Okay,
And
so
what is that? Why is so small iron? Why the small iron rock is so big? I think this needs to be fixed.
That was a distraction.
I think those are actually from the meteor. So yeah, the meteor hit and left those, but
it looks like it.
Okay, so for now.
Yeah, that was fun, guys. I hope you liked that.
Good ending.
So let's finish what we started. Bad physical condition. Oh.
Oxygen 30%. So yeah.
That was nice end of the stream, guys. I hope you like that. I think soon we could share with you the update for the beta test, and on the next stream we'll be testing a new build with the interaction fixed and some new stuff to show you. So thanks for being today, and see you next week.
Ya.
Hey, bye.